Oh,
Kino. What?
Robot dub.
Dub, bro.
Hey, still got dance, you know, but so when you got dance, a robot dub. You see me? Robot dub. Christopher, like that's making wave. Welcome back again, you know. Because I know you've been busy, you know, been busy. Georgia and the whole extended family. You know, the extended family. We got Christopher back tour, you know. Not Tisha, man, with a workaholic. And so we're drinking workaholic pill. I drink workaholic soup.
Remember, I tell you already, you know, when I run at my house, I could have put in the work. Remember, me daddy stall again. Selling, so now I can put in the work. It's there.
Yeah, man. I really love that. I think you was going to love it.
You can put up by the hand. So it's safe.
And the foot, the ear, the head, everything. Don't know for the new year. Resort coming very soon again for the new year. Yeah, you know. You never, I don't go can go again. Yeah, you never know. Yes, resort baby, want to go again.
You know what me for go. Now why?
You're gonna again, man. And
you know what? You know, let me announce it right now on here.
Yeah, I announce it, man.
I'm booked on Rebel Salute, so.
Oh,
21st.
Oh, Rebel Salute. Rebel Salute. Because salute. Rebel Salute.
Drinking, master popping a life, then I like that. Then I want drinking, drink no sorry.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry.
Yeah, I work too. Oh. Yeah, what? Una man.
Chef, anymore.
Yes, you know, we're no more. Stunner. Yeah. Oh man, I look up plastic back the mall, can squeeze, I can boil. Barney Bob. Hi General is here. Barney Bob.
I go and get a hand as usual.
Because now when you lose and you let out the helping hand.
Yeah, I get helping hand, you know.
If you have the left or the right. Yes, it's a good look. Resort baby is here. Yes, Resort baby is here. The window gone in, one window inside. See there. Rasta Jackson.
Your family, because of the time, they are family, the time family, extended family. You got every time, love with them. Every time, Kino, you got every time.
See there. Side winner gone in, all natural as it is, natural as it is. Natural as it is.
Hold on. I set up this and put down some stuff.
Yes, Donna.
Extend this family, big up everybody. All who are trying to help me, big up.
Yeah. I know I want to thank Fabulous Brothers for the windows them.
Yeah, and thank Fabulous Brothers for the windows them.
Yeah.
Go in. Them look good, look on them.
Beautiful.
Look so good, yeah.
Beautiful. And we can't stop thank them. Do it, big up yourself, you know. Fabulous Brothers. So the window you will just roll in. It's at the side window now, so you know fresh breeze can come inside. And we have to thank Fabulous Brothers again. You know, see it there. So give thanks. This is where the quality is, right, Alfie?
1, 2, and 1.
This is where the quality is. The Fabulous Brothers, you know. Place looking more splendid, more better. Splendid. We now lock up, so we have the bathroom one to go in and get it. So we have the bathroom in there, here to go in right in there, the bathroom in there, right in there. Looking in, looking out. Looking even better. Hello. Who's outside? Chips, are you knocking on my window?
I love it.
Are you knocking on my window, Stacy?
Yeah, man. We got the dream team then. Them are going good. God bless you, Nina. Dream team, man. But at Christmas, yeah, the couple gonna run over.
Over and over.
Yeah, for the dream team, them. I miss Auntie Liquor. Yes, man.
Everything in progress. Everything. I have Florida around there.
Yeah, man, Florida, I go and build out the Dundee Park already, I go and watch it, you know? I wait for time, you know? Yeah, got too much crowd, you know?
Yeah, wingman.
Dream team must step up in my life, then I like that. Then no one dream team, drink no sorry.
Hey, I forward. Chips will say forward again, man. Forward again. Hey, say dream team must step up in a life, then. I like that. Let's show no one.
Dream team, after drink sorry. Dream team, after drink milk in the name of Jesus.
Bless up the place. Only natural. See the only natural.
Chips come with something nice, man.
Yeah, man. The band here, the lyrics of my four. Chips just build something a while ago for the team. You know, Chips build something right there on the spot.
Just build a rhythm and a lyrics right away.
So you have more for go add on to it now.
Let's put up that.
More for go add on. Yeah. Yes, it's a good look. Room them clean. Can live in already. Window them gone in. And they are just smooth off. Yes. Don't know for the new year. Resort coming very soon again for the new year. Yeah, you know. You never, I don't go can go again. Yeah, you never know. There's a resort baby want to go again.
You know what me for go. Now why? Anybody there say about.
Yeah,
everybody next year.
Yeah, everybody next year. Never know who's gonna be there. You never know.
Alright, you don't know what.
Yeah, suppose, yo, you know what
Suppose family.
suppose Oliver and Carla say, yo, Kino's get a bus. Load it up with the whole team.
Suppose family.
Yeah, everybody just roll in, you know?
Suppose all them say.
Yeah. Suppose that everybody just come together and say, yo, we can do that one here different. We get a big bus.
Yeah.
Everybody one time.
Yeah.
Everybody chippy. All them chippy. Everybody chippy. So I'm chippy.
Now supposed to come fast.
AK Bounty can chip in back again. I said, everybody is
I never said we had the beach trip to go on the
What is? Some of them come up to
the
dream.
river trip too.
I am here to dream. I am not stop dreaming.
Can't stop dreaming.
What are you talking about?
No microchip.
Don't they want to
Microchip.
Now what name?
And we have the river trip. I also have the river trip for going.
Yeah.
You know, the river trip soon as this finish, you know, so we're going on the river. You know, well, a period trip will come up, man. It's not a micro trip.
No.
It's a river trip. And a river trip. Yeah, it's not a micro trip, not a SIM card trip.
Holy papi, be a niceness, be a niceness. What do you got, P? Everybody in a car, P. You know what I'm going to go to? You want to left your back? You know what I'm going to ship? Everybody
Can't pay for the microchip, right? It's not on the microchip. You see me? See that? Naturally. Hey. You know, it's going to be a wonderful trip. It's going to be a wonderful blessing for the team. And we always thank Barney so much for the effort we always put in. You know, this is what we call dedication. You know, it's not here for the money thing. It's here for the love of our Guanam community, right? This is what we say, the love of the... But you see natural, one day for the love of our Guanam the community. The man stand for positivity, you know. And Barney about Joe and him Dave, you know. They say, yo, you grew up living in the UK, you know. They probably not remember because they so much of them know you.
Why someone so young we don't grow up.
Yeah.
About the place, be it both here and Spanish Town.
Alright.
Because the Indian women from the UK, Spanish Town, we know him from.
Okay.
So me first bring him come Arima.
Yeah.
And when we bring him come Arima, and the locks the man them call him.
Yeah.
Curly locks one sell.
The man say help him out with bird paper as well too. Yeah, so you see there, so it's a long way to go.
Long way, you know?
Yeah. Man say email him out with my bird paper too. So you know the thing go.
Yeah man, I hope all the things in help out man.
So it never
I say
stop.
some love people so all the while up to today, you know? Just love the amongst people and I love you.
That's why you know say I'm blessed.
Just love you, brother. Trust me. Now if you have nothing to give me, I don't want nothing from you, I just want to know say me help you out when you get through and you're gone through life.
True.
If you want to look back, you look back. If you don't look back, I just...
That's true, man. I see me grow, whole heap me grow now. Whole heap of them me grow.
Yeah, come on always have a whole heap of people around
Yeah,
there.
whole heap of them me grow. Whole heap. Most of some of them they are foreign, some they are Jamaica, and man pick up here. Yeah.
That is it, man. That is it.
When I come to Jamaica, I know where I live and find it.
Yeah. And never forget.
No, they can't forget.
Yes, natural. I love the look. We love the look. We love the look. So you know, Baja is not here. You know, Baja in the country. And you see it's a teamwork, the dream work. You know, natural day here, see me and give him time while he can. So you know, natural is a man busy upon film work, see me. And him still make an effort, see me. I will give thanks for that time, see me, you know, because naturally have a film work for come here today, you know that?
Yeah.
It was on his work, I left film work to come put in a 5 minutes to now. We're grateful for that. You know, so I'm always thankful, you know, I never know where the blessing is coming from. So I'm gonna leave film work now and come from another work, come give us strength. So I have to give thanks for that.
Alright, stop! Put in enough cement time, yeah? Yeah, man.
Snow up on the CBCB.
Yeah. Oh, I can dig up a ton of some man.
Lean around it up.
How fast is this?
We have to put tarpy on the foreign trip. Up on the plane, we have to put in a tarpy.
Oh, yes, yes.
That's going to be your trip, you know. On the plane trip, we have to get tarpy.
Oh,
Yes, man. That'll be a trip off, I got different. You put it on the plane trip. Say, man. Yeah, I'm tell you, man. I'm telling you, man, tall people, no matter what the advantage, the disadvantage, they always here. Always.
Come to me, man.
So you put tall people on the plane trip. Fly over the sea water and the ocean and that, you know what I say?
Anything I say?
That is it.
You know what I like when you want.
So like you know what?
Yes, sir.
When we are
play one like you said, play one. Yeah.
no, man, what people are
Yes, so like you know.
Yes, man, man, so that we are
Nothing impossible in a Tarpin, nothing is impossible.
You can't go for your unless when you come. You can't represent you, you are you.
Nothing is impossible.
So like you know what?
Yeah, like Tarpin said, plane trip. Tarpin, no answer that one there, like I said, plane trip. I feel like you must say plane trip. Like you must say plane trip.
That's the wish by Yago. Anyway, it's not that far.
Ocean go Miami, Book go Florida. And Natisha go Miami too. Rasta Jacks go Canada. As well too. Rasta Jacks go Canada. Windows going in. Next window going in. It's looking nice within. It smells like furniture in here though. For you smell it again. What is this?
Christmas.
Christmas, yeah, brand new.
Brand new Christmas smell. Brand new. Mansion is a small mansion. This is not.
Yeah, you know, so I go on.
Small mansion. You can't walk all over there. So good.
Yeah, so I can't walk and finish it.
You know like we did us know.
That'll be my last in here, you know.
Yeah, man.
See there, walk. Oh, you have a bathroom here. Oh, you have a room here. See there, also the room. So we'll come back down here again. There we are again. Look through the window and see who's looking in.
Right in front of the kitchen.
Okay, that's gone.
Why look so rough?
Afternoon bombing bar.
I've been wrong with the next tune.
Yes, I'll be the next tune. Rough. Hallelujah.
Rough one.
Hallelujah.
Black off and we get around us up. When bigger. On the rough.
Listen, that's what I want it raw.
Look a bit rough.
Look, this one.
Don't trouble the ranks in them. More look rough.
That's right, take them off.
Flush in it.
Was that ready?
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I know you not say hallelujah. No. No, say not hallelujah. Not Tisha man with the workaholic. And so we drink the workaholic pill. I drink the workaholic soup.
Remember, I tell you already, you know, when I run at my house, I could have put in the work. Remember, me daddy stall I do.
Yeah.
Selling, so now I can put in the work. It's there.
Yeah man. I really love that. See what
You
them
get
love
the
it
L,
man.
so I put out by the hand. So it's
And the foot, the ear, the head, everything she put out.
I never did know when I ever come from. I'm going to get it to speak to God. That's the dream team and extended family. If I put out back my one, that somebody can't get comfortable.
Of course. Where's the one I got ban we have this? Oh.
Jesus.
Where's the number one?
Okay, so we don't want nothing bad because we don't want the police.
Yeah. As a band said, I don't want the bad because I don't want the police. It's like a good, bad, or bad, or good. Which one? They are good. No police. You come here for chips and say, yo, chips, you say, yeah, bad, you know.
Where's my son granite? Where's my granite?
Yeah, man.
I'm going to go place and pick out in it, because like it now done enough. Yeah, man.
You have to let me show it.
Yeah.
Huh? You have to let me show it. No, that is not show it.
Because once you know pick out as we see now, I go show, say, yo. Yeah, them are the details now, sure.
Let me show it.
Wait him down, wait him dry for a little bit. Wait him again, the water run off when I'm my side. That's a problem. Nice.
Water never play, spray water pan.
Use water for them and get him. Come back here. Come back.
Oh,
Kino. What going?
Robert Dub.
Dub, bro.
Hey, still got dance, you know, but so when you got dance, a Robert Dub. You see me? Robert Dub, Christopher, like that's making wave. Welcome back again, you know. Because I know you've been busy, you know, been busy. Georgia and the whole extended family. You know, the extended family. We got Christopher back off tour. You know, it's lucky we catch him for a minute, so you know we're not going to see him for the next minute. So, we're there, man.
Mom, what going? There.
Yeah. Still I got dance a rubber dub.
Still go dance and rubber.
Yo, that man like that song there is taking off, man.
Big time.
Rubber dub is taking off now, like. But you deserve it, man. You deserve it, man. You deserve it, man. Cause listen, it's positivity.
Yeah.
This is what we need. Some of these songs to be taken off more.
Sure,
something positive, bro. You see me I say?
Difference. The song.
Different.
The difference in it.
The energy, you know. When to start, hey, that's banging, but not like. I'm go sorry, I can't play because you know copyright thing and everything. People, I'm sorry, I can't play, but just go and check it out, man. Rubber dub. Because people call me, listen, you have a man try to call me and say, yo, tell Chris we try to link up because I want dub. So I try to contact you a couple times, you see me, and now them see you, then I go want to ring me again now and say, yo, Kino, you forgot, you see me, and but now we're there now, you can still contact me. I can send down to Christopher, you get me, for the dubs them same way, you know, because...
You know, my direct link, so...
Yeah, man. Because I tell them say they're really busy, you know, because they're on a whole heap of show at the time, you see me?
Up and down and...
Up and now and...
At the Europe tour. Come back and then we're doing Jamrock Cruise now, next month.
Next month. So see there, you're gone again.
So it's crazy, man.
You're gone again, man. And
you know what, Kino, let me announce it right now on here.
Yeah, I announce it, man.
I'm booked on Rebel Salute, so...
Oh,
21st.
Oh, Rebel Salute. Rebel Salute. Because salute. Rebel Salute. So you see, you're making the footstep. You're making them steps, bro. You see me? And I really like that, man. Rebel Salute. First time?
First time being booked, so around 10 years ago, I was there.
Yeah.
Queen Africa called me up.
Oh.
That's not booked. Though.
No, that's not booked.
Yeah, this is booked.
Booked because of Rubber Dub.
Yeah, Rubber
Dub. Yo, listen, I see that thing playing. Let me tell you, yo, the first time I hear the song I play, remember I was still I'm in Seaview. I hear the song I play on the radio. I'm like, I'm calling and say, Chris.
Yeah.
You know me hear the song they hear on the radio. Yeah. And then after that now, it was the next person I played on them phone. I'm like, what? Like, no man, this gone, man, this gone. But we don't even know how to go on them time. Cause it was early stage. That's when they just released the video. I'm see people watch it on them phone. I'm like, what if Chris know how to go on? That's why I call and say, yo, Chris, you know me there see if you hear the song I play, I'm gonna listen it on them phone. Yeah, bro. I'm like, no, that is gone.
One of my bedroom was a producer. His name is Baby G, right?
Yeah.
He did enough big song like he did enough song. You hear my father say, Baby G.
Yeah.
So I said to G, I said, G, all the hit songs that you produced over the years, what was the first inkling if you to know say gone?
Yeah.
And him said, when them phones start ringing.
That's it.
And Kino, when you're calling me those times, everyone was calling me.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Everyone's calling saying, Ellis, yo, you tune go on, go on, this. I'm saying, and my phone start blow up, bro.
Blow.
I was called gang same time, say gang, we find it, you know.
Yeah. Come and tell you, I see me, I say, yo, no, sir. Because more than one time I hear it in a Seaview, and so anytime at the first I hear a song like that, for me hear more than one time in a community where a man now listen to them different.
Yeah.
We call them scammers tune them and them banger tune, and then hear man I listen to still got Rubber Dub.
That's why, bro, the tune take off because the lyrics in it as well, what I'm talking about is the same.
Makes sense, man.
You kind of hear like one sound sometimes.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And as we say, some man can't make love with them woman again, brother. You see what I say? When you drop that, some man feel like, oh, we and like, this man at talk about, can't make love to woman again, you know, like, but it's true, it's fact. Because I be a banger here and them camera thing, and you can't make love to them song there.
You know, Still Go Dance was a song that was going like this, you know?
And them. Yeah.
But when this one dropped,
Rubber Dub.
it was gone.
Gone. Rubber Dub is big. Man, I like it. I love it. I stop play it. You know, when I stop play it. You know, every time we do it, so I first have to play. Yo, put it on. You see me? But we can't even play it on the camera. You know, and you're there.
Great to see you, bro, and
man.
The work's still going on.
Yeah, man.
The whole team, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And my mom continues to watch them.
Yeah. Big up, mommy. Big up yourself, mommy. Big up yourself. You know, cause she always a frequent watcher. See you, me.
She's so interested in investing, you know?
Yeah. Cause me know sure you just come as well too. Cause one of the recipient them, Sam. You know Sam, the man, the welding man. He passed away, you know.
See it, bro.
He's passed away, man. And
was it ill health?
Yeah, I think it's another strokes in the have, but the fact when it happened, him leave here from about July, August them time.
Where?
Hospital. I don't really have much information about it. He went and we hear say him died, and which is him died from the 21st of October, and we here like in just a November year, you know. So yeah.
Okay, one thing I want to say though, you know, I say this loud. I want to say this, like you know, like in the UK, for example, you have access to doctor. Yeah. Complimentary.
Yeah.
Let's go there anytime.
Yeah.
A homeless man on the street can go there.
Yeah.
I know in Jamaica it's different, so especially in the ghetto, where in the ghetto, bro, where people will don't really have access to it because they don't got to pay a fee.
Yeah.
So a man was wild some tea instead. When something serious wrong with
it. True.
He wild some tea. As in got a doctor at 7 grand just to talk.
Just to talk. This is just to talk alone.
And then the next. So I realized that a lot of people now will become very ill from something very minor. Yeah. You know what I mean, bro? And I've seen it over the years in the yard. It's like small things will take someone's life. Like in the UK,
you get treated in no time.
You get treatment for it, bro. Because
out here, as we say, the money wise,
a man's put off by that,
and it develop, you know, because a man have a small thing and he can't afford to go doctor. Because the doctor visit alone, and then a man don't want to hear about the medication. Because the prescription alone, I go like, shit.
12, 14 grand for this,
you know, and when you check it out, 6, 8 pills in the buckle, and you're like, what am I going to do when this finish?
Something,
you know,
I don't know how to.
The healthcare, yeah. That's why you have so much people with have so much long-term sickness in Jamaica. Because they have the financial wise, they cannot help themselves because medical wise, you know.
Definitely, I'm going to say, you know, go to the doctor, man, let's go boil my tea, you know,
and drink them tea. But you don't know what kind of illness you have inside because they cannot afford to go and do it. And that's the next problem, you know. And when you don't know and you drink the tea, you don't know what the tea is for same way because maybe the tea can't help that situation there. You need some form of herb or something, you know.
And this also reached my bedroom. My bedroom, you see my brother Dean?
Yeah.
His bedroom.
Yeah.
Sick. I don't think I should call his name on camera, but he passed away. And he used to say, yo, no, I'm a good man, some pain. Yeah. Got some tea, and he used to do the same thing I said.
Yeah.
Wild tea and drink it. And cramp up. You see, a few months after, there's a tumor the man having a bro.
Wow.
Cancer tumor in a bro. He killed the man in a bro.
Wow, you see.
I can't tell you the man's name, I might not want to.
Yeah, you don't have to say his name, but
bro, it's like, and I was alarmed because I remember when Dean used to tell me, say, yo, him kind of in the corner.
Yeah.
And then months down the line now, bro, cancer, bro, tumor, big like young boy like that.
And you see, because in a few man, him things are gas.
Yeah.
Because you know why him think of gas because enough people can't afford to eat on time. Enough people don't really eat. And you take long to eat because you cannot afford to eat so much meals during the day. So during
the 2 p.m. is the first time he's eating. So
so you think that's alright, and I realize and you start getting the cramps and you drink tea and realize yeah man to gone, but sometimes it's worse, brother, it's worse. It's like over England and place, them check you properly. You know what I mean, check you from inside because them don't want to make no mistake. You know, because they know, say, listen, them can sue and this.
Exactly.
You cannot do that in Jamaica. You can't sue no hospital and at all. So them check you and you say, go on, get the medication and that's it. You know, and it is, man. I mean, I always say, yo, I don't really want to sick here. Sometimes I try to take care of myself as much, you know, because it's bad when you're sick here, you know, so you have to go to the hospital, brother, because the treatment alone and inside the hospital alone is like a put off itself.
It's always blown my mind how it works though, Kino. I'm no politician, Kino, and I don't know the depths of it, but in the UK, for example, people pay tax when they work. That tax money goes to a kitty and pays the ambulance, the policeman, and the fire brigade. So my question is, where does the tax money for Jamaica go? Remember, it's going somewhere.
Well, they wouldn't want to hear the answer for that. So you come like when I have a talk about it because you don't know if you go to the people then you would have known, you know, so you wouldn't want to know the answer for that, man.
Maybe us civilians think that it's a simple answer when if you're a politician you might say it's not simple as that and it's a long thing to go through.
Well, it's not.
I don't know, let's make it simple where the tax money that everyone's paying, tax when you have a job, everyone uptowns works. Shouldn't go into a kitty that pays the nurse, pays the doctor so that you can get free medical care, you know?
And right now, when you go anywhere and buy any materials or anything, the tax on it alone, you're like, shit, the tax bring up this so much. When you go in the supermarket, when you buy anything, just the tax bring up anything. And you wonder, so where this goes? So You know, so anyhow, you know Jamaica, them call it boy. Them say that them have to try to survive for themselves, it seems like. You know, so we wish certain things can change.
Yeah, but it's bigger than a 5-minute conversation, you know?
Yeah, it's way bigger than that. It's way bigger than that.
Bless, darling.
How about Dove, man? Well, yo, I'm glad to see you, man, bro.
Yes,
you know, I'm really glad to see you. Because when I say they're really busy, I'm really glad for you
Big up
you're there again.
this, you know?
Yeah, mommy, big up yourself. Jaja,
You
big
know, I
up.
want to tell you as well, it come like my fame come from the program, bro. More than my music.
And the blessings,
Everyone
man.
go like, yo, Kino, I see you on Kino.
Kino, yeah.
You know what I mean? More than, yo, you can Ellis, right?
Yeah. So it works both ways.
It shows the program is really, it's really out there, bro.
Yeah, it's effective, man. It's very, very effective.
And the years you put in now, it's been a couple of years well now, so. You know,
So eventually, a lot of audience out there, you know. They might not subscribe because most of them watch it on the TV. And they don't know how to subscribe from their TV.
My mom, for example.
Yeah.
Subscriber.
Yeah.
She just knows to check every day.
And it's pop up on the TV, you know, so that's what happened. But when you check the levels of the viewers and that been watching it, is a lot of millions of people. You know, because there's so much millions of people watch the program.
Yeah, each episode.
Each episode, you know, so we give thanks here, you know, because I always get a phone call and say, Kino, a lot of people over here watch it and don't feel like the people them now watch it, you know. Them always say that, but me know say yo, there's a lot of people because it always tell you millions of people watch the program. You know, it might not show in the numbers where you see, but it's shown by it in different over the term. Yeah, it adds up to like a lot of millions of people watch it. So imagine it's out there already, you know. I will give thanks, you know, because goodness we are doing.
It's amazing, of course, bro.
And goodness, man.
It's
So you know.
very intriguing, bro, you know? Yeah. Especially someone like me who's interested in this kind of work.
Yeah.
In, you know, helping them.
It's in our gene. It's in your gene, you know.
Definitely.
It's in our gene, you know, because we want to see good.
Yeah, man.
If we're selfish, the world will see it, the world will know it, you know. The world will know, so Christopher him selfish. Kino them selfish, you know, but we're not. You know, we're more into helping people, helping the needy because it's in us already. I will see the struggle, we've been through the struggle. So we know what it feel like, you know, we know what it feel like. Man, I'm saying, bro, we're really glad to see you again.
Yes.
To know say here, you know, on the island once more, we get a break. For not long. You know, we'll see him for this minute, next minute, you know, say tour all over the place again.
It's work. When I'm here, it's work.
Work, you know.
To play with the work.
Yeah, so I know say soon we want to do something on the street here as well, you know.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Right on street competition, right here. Like we're going up on your street.
Okay.
I'll do something like an under 16.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah. You know, we're gonna deal with Tara and Suki Satnam. We're gonna deal with it right out here, you know.
Yes, bro.
It'll be a good thing.
Yes, my brother. Man.
Keep it the right way. But bro,
love.
Bless up, love. Extended family.
Extended family every time.
Every
Stay with
time.
us.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.